I'ma head out then.
Sorry about my man.
Hey, it's all good, man. Yes, sir. Hey, it's probably better that it went out. At least I don't have to worry about the copyright.
That's right. There you
Yep,
go.
that worked out well. It worked out good, man.
Yeah, man. All right, appreciate it, bub.
Thank you, man.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
wrong.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so I appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.